Friends will come, friends will go. They all seem to change while I'm still the same. 'Cause I just can't let go.
Good morning, my lovelies. Welcome to Happy Muncher. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm super fabulous. I am currently at the airport right now and I am about to leave Africa. Wow, it's been lovely being in Africa. I really enjoyed it, but now I have to get back to work. I did mention on my previous video that I'm going back to Asia. So I'm at the airport now. I'm waiting to board. I'm actually in a restaurant here. I'm trying to have breakfast. Then I'm headed to the boarding gate. I'm super excited. So I want you guys to guess where I'm going to. Just leave a comment down below and let me know where you think I'm going to. I will see you in a bit. So this is the lovely restaurant here in the airport. It's called Diner. So I'm gonna have my breakfast. I ordered a glass of juice, orange juice for vitamin C. And I'm just waiting for my breakfast. I'm having fries, egg, beef patty, baked beans, sausage, mushrooms. This is my breakfast, guys. I need to finish eating quickly because I only have 30 minutes left to go board.
And there's no one to blame. It's just the way it is. Like stone, emotionless in this world of stories. Oh, like stone, I'll be.
Okay guys, it's time for me to go to the boarding gate. I don't know, I always get a bit anxious when I travel. I know I'm doing this every other day. I literally travel every other day. I don't know why every single time I get anxious, but I guess it's just normal. But anyway, I'm super excited. I hope you are too. See you in a bit, loves.
Lovers come, lovers go, and their hearts seem to change, but mine still the same.
At the boarding gates now. Just a few minutes before we start boarding. And look what I got. Biltong. This is so famous in my country and South Africa. It's dried meat, so I bought this as a snack. And it's peri peri, so that means it's spicy. I'm going to enjoy it. It is time to go, my lovelies. I am headed to the aircraft now. Flying Qatar Airways. I love it so much. I always fly Qatar Airways because I think it's safer. I don't know, but okay. Here we are.
Or under the seat of customers see that emergency exit and front row.
Change, but mine's still the same. 'Cause I still love them all, and my heart's not to blame. It's just the way it is. Like stone, emotionless in this world of stories. Oh, like stone, I'm fixed in a framework that is moving beyond my control. Like stone, emotionless I'll be here forever, waiting for your call.
Take a train ride just to see you. Ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need you, 'cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone.
Hi guys, so I literally just boarded the second flight out here in Doha, and yeah, we're about to depart to my final destination. And it was so hectic because literally I was left with 1 hour to board when we landed here, so I had to rush and I couldn't vlog much or even talk much. But anyway, I am inside the aircraft now and we are just about to depart here from Doha in Hamad International Airport, and I'm going to my final destination. I hope you're still anticipating my final destination, and I will see you when I arrive, my lovelies. Stay tuned in. Hi guys, I literally just arrived in my final destination. I'm gonna collect my bags in a bit and then head to my apartment. I'll see you in a bit, my lovelies. Yay! Hi guys, welcome back to Happy Muncher. I just literally checked into my apartment, guys. I'm extremely tired, like so exhausted. I just want to share my apartment with you guys just for a moment, and then I'm gonna pass out. I'm gonna take a hot shower and pass out. Okay, so this is my apartment. This is my beautiful apartment. I just love the backdrop here of this beautiful wallpaper. It's so authentic. I love it. It's screaming richness and all that. And this is my beautiful bed. I love the white linen and side tables and lamps. This space is quite small, but it's okay. It's small enough for me. This is a mini couch a table for my dining, and a TV, a huge screen TV, air conditioning. And over here we are already in the kitchen. As you can see, there's pots over here, a microwave, and this is where I'll be making my meals. A sink here, and a huge fridge right here. And inside here is a little compartment of a washing machine. This is where I'll be doing my laundry. And a very nice decor here. I love this so much. It's so beautiful. My bags are here. I literally just checked in. So this is my space, guys. Let me see where I can light up the bathroom so I show it to you. Okay. In here is a sink, obviously, and a toilet. A huge mirror over here. And the closet is inside the bathroom. I love how they utilize the space, the small space here. And let's see. Ooh, it lights up. Amazing, right? And that's the shower right there, my favorite. I love showers so much. So this is very spacious. The closets are actually spacious. Very spacious. I just love it so much. This is a really beautiful bed. And yeah, basically this is it. This is my space for the next few days. I'm so happy to be here, guys. I know most of you have been anxious, like, where is Happy Muncher going this time around? Well, I'm back in Bangkok, here in Thailand. Guys, I'm so happy to be here. I think I love Thailand so much. I'm extremely excited because I feel like I didn't do much in terms of traveling across to other parts, which I'm gonna do this time around. So yes, my lovelies, welcome back to Bangkok. And I am going to end my video right here. Just make sure that before you leave this video, you smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well. Don't be left out on Happy Muncher's vlogs, and share my videos with your family and friends. I will see you on my next video, my lovelies. I am going to crash down immediately, and I'll catch you on my next video. Stay tuned in. From me today, it's all love. Toodles, toodles.
Quería casarme, yo tan loco en ilusionarme, creyendo en tus besos y tus caricias. La verdad no fue el culpable.